Hello people, welcome to yet another awesome video of Math is Fun. Last time we learnt about angles, its types and how to identify them. We had an activity too, remember? The activity was observe your surroundings and find out objects which look like acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. It's very easy to find out, isn't it? Just keep your eyes open and observe your surroundings. Right from our fingers to the hands of a clock, we can find many objects similar to acute, right, and obtuse angle. Let's now learn a few more geometric concepts. Today, we'll learn more about different types of line. They are intersecting lines, perpendicular lines, concurrent lines, and parallel lines. Are you ready? First, let us know what intersecting lines are. Intersecting lines are two lines that meet at a point. The point where they meet is called the point of intersection. For better understanding, let's now construct intersecting lines. First, let me draw a line. Now, I'll draw another line passing through it. Let's name the lines as AB and XY. We can see that the lines AB and XY meet at a point. This point is O, the point of intersection. Next comes perpendicular lines. What do you mean by perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines are special type of intersecting lines where one line intersects the other line at an angle of 90 degree or a right angle. Remember we had discussed right angle in the last video. It's time now to construct perpendicular lines. Let's draw a line. Now let's draw another line through it at an angle of 90 degrees. Now we have to name them AB and XY. Lines AB and XY are perpendicular to each other as they form an angle of 90 degree. Now let's discuss concurrent lines. What's the definition of concurrent lines? When more than two lines intersect at the same point, they are said to be concurrent lines. The point where they all intersect is called the point of concurrence. Let us draw three concurrent lines. We have drawn the first line, second line through it, and the third line through it. Now let's name them as AB, XY, and PQ. We can see that all these lines intersect at the point O. This is called the point of concurrence. So, we have learnt about intersecting, perpendicular and concurrent lines. What is the difference between these three lines? Intersecting lines are made of two lines which meet each other at any angle, whereas perpendicular lines meet each other only at 90 degree, that is a right angle, and concurrent lines are more than two lines. They may be 3, 4, 5 lines meeting each other at a single point. I hope you have got a clear idea about these three lines. Now let's put some light on the last topic. They are parallel lines. So what are parallel lines? Parallel lines are two such lines that do not intersect. That is, they do not meet each other at all. The distance between parallel lines is always fixed. Now for the construction. Let us draw two lines at a distance from each other. Name them as line AB and line XY. They are parallel to each other. Now, let me start extending both these lines. Now, do they intersect each other? No, they don't. So, no matter how long you extend these lines, they will not intersect each other. The distance between them is always the same. I hope you understood these different lines clearly. This brings us to the end of today's video. My next video will be on arithmetics. There is an activity today too. Let's observe all the alphabets from A to Z and find out what types of lines they are made of. Please drop your answers in the comment section and If you like this video, then too please mention it in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Lastly, don't forget our equation, which is learning into fun minus fear equals our channel. Math is fun. Bye.